Hello, I'm Mr. Smith. Today's learning will focus on how the critical evaluation of new and emerging technologies informs decisions, the importance of sustainability issues, and the environmental issues when designing and making. The term directive derives from Latin. It means pointing out the proper direction. Let's get started. How the critical evaluation of new and emerging technologies informs design decisions. New technologies are always emerging. Some of these are disruptive and can cause significant changes to our lifestyle. Others create a brief fashion which soon disappears. The internet has massively changed the way we shop, communicate, and entertain ourselves. In some ways, the internet has reduced the amount we need to travel. But in other ways, it has increased our road miles because we expect online goods to be delivered to our door. In this section, we look at how important it is for future designers to make decisions based on the consideration for the environment. Next, the importance of sustainability issues and environmental issues when designing and making. Manufacturers and consumers all have a role to play in promoting a sustainable design strategy. Sustainable design involves choosing materials for manufacturing that have a low impact on the environment, materials which are recycled, such as paper and card, non-toxic, and do not need as much energy to produce. Manufacturing methods. Designing products which are manufactured using efficient, low-energy methods. Build quality. Products with a higher build quality are likely to work more effectively for longer and break down less. Packaging. Reducing unnecessary product packaging and making all packaging recyclable, e.g. cardboard. Transportation. Reducing the energy needs for transporting raw materials and the finished product, for example, by local manufacturers using locally sourced materials where possible. Energy needs. Designing energy-efficient products, for example using LED lights instead of filament lamps. Product life expectancy. Designing products that last. Avoiding early obsolescence and designing products to be serviced and repaired. End of product life. Consideration of what happens to a product when it is no longer needed. Ease of product recyclability. Fair trade. Designing products which provide a fair income for workers at all stages in the supply and production chain. There is a great deal of international pressure on governments in all countries to reduce energy consumption, reduce pollution and eliminate the disposal of hazardous substances into the environment, and to increase recycling. There are many environmental directives, types of laws, which stem from the European Union and from bodies such as the World Energy Council, which specify targets to achieve these aims. There are also international agreements on climate change, air pollution, and the protection of wildlife. Manufacturers can apply to have their products awarded to the European Eco-Label. To qualify products to have to meet a tough set of environmental criteria which take into account the whole product life cycle. The EU Eco-Label is intended to simplify consumer choice in seeking out products which are good for the environment. Products displaying the Eco-Label tell the customer that they have achieved environmental excellence, which manufacturers hope will promote sales of the product. Knowledge check. Please try and answer the questions below. What has massively changed the way we shop, communicate, and entertain ourselves? What has the internet reduced and what has the internet increased? What do future designers have to start making decisions based on? Who has a role to play in promoting sustainable design strategies? Why is there a great deal of international pressure on governments in all countries? What environmental award can manufacturers apply for? What does the EU Eco-label represent? Have a go answering the questions now. Just pause the video. You can find more helpful information on Mr. K. Smith on YouTube. Please subscribe, like and leave a comment. The information for this video was found in WJEC GCSE 1-9 Design and Technology textbook. Thank you.